Using a dry finger to tool caulk gives precise control and a consistent, smooth finish that is ideal for touch-ups and corners. When you run your dry finger along a fresh bead, start with firm but gentle pressure and move steadily to shape the seal into a rounded profile that sheds water and compresses the caulk into gaps. Work in one continuous pass for each section to avoid ridges and press enough to remove surface excess without creating voids. For inside and outside corners, use the pad of the finger to push caulk into the junction, then sweep slightly outward so the bead forms a neat concave curve that meets both surfaces. Keep your finger dry and free of debris by wiping on a clean cloth between sections to prevent dragging bits of cured material into the fresh bead. If the caulk skins over, quickly work in smaller segments and maintain a consistent pace so you do not press on tacky areas that will pull. For silicone or very sticky formulations, consider wearing a thin nitrile glove to protect skin while keeping the tool surface dry and tactile. Common mistakes are pressing too hard, which spreads caulk thinly and leaves gaps, so ease pressure and make multiple overlapping passes if needed to fill voids. Smoothing immediately with a light sweeping motion prevents overwork and preserves adhesion. Another problem is contamination of the bead by using a wet finger, which can introduce water or soap that breaks the surface tension and prevents proper bonding. So always use a completely dry, clean finger or a dry disposable pad to tool. A frequent oversight is working too large an area at once, causing the caulk to skin over before tooling, so plan to run shorter continuous lengths and pause to tool each section before moving on. We run bighomeprojects.com to help homeowners locate local contractors and contractors to find work connected to home improvements like caulking and trim. Our site also hosts a discussion community where we share tips, ask questions, and trade practical how-to advice on projects and techniques.